Let us quickly talk about the difference between output versus outcome. Most people don't understand this. Most teams don't know the difference, and which is why they keep making mistakes and they are focusing on the wrong thing. So I am here today to help clarify on these differences, and it's going to be an amazing, short, sweet video. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we will be talking about the differences between outputs and outcome. Most teams don't understand the differences between these two things, and which is why they continuously make the mistake of focusing on the wrong thing, which end up affecting the result that they are delivering to the customers. We want to be able to continuously improve, and so that our customers are achieving results, you see, and we are keeping our customers happy. So to be able to do that, it's very important that we understand these differences. I'm just going to be using a simple example on user stories to illustrate the differences between these two things, output versus outcome. But before I do that, for those who don't know me, I am Karen Fomafung, your favorite Agile Evangelist, and welcome back to my channel. Now, let us use these examples. Imagine that you're actually creating a website. That is the whole project, right? You have two user stories. The first user story is to be able to configure login capability. That is the functionalities that would allow your customers to be able to log into their account, the website account, right? And the acceptance criteria for this user story is we want to be able to have a username. Customers will also be able to enter their password, and customers will be able to enter their date of birth. That is the month and the year. That is the month and not the year. Customers will not want that. Most of the customers will want to enter the day and the month of birth, right? Those are the three acceptance criteria of that user story. The second user story is to be able to, so we've been asked to configure payment gateway, right? And the acceptance criteria of configuring this payment gateway is we want to configure to allow customers to be able to pay through Cash App. We want to allow customers to be able to pay through WhatsApp, and we also want to allow customers to be able to pay using their credit debit card. These are the three these are the three acceptance criteria of this payment gateway, right? Now, we have these two user stories, that is the login capability and the payment gateway configuration, as the stories that we're working on this sprint. Now, we have this team member working on these two user stories. At the end of the sprint, this team member actually started the payment gateway functionality, but this team member was able to almost complete it. This team member was able to achieve the three different ones, that is allow customers to be able to pay using PayPal, allow customers to be able to pay using credit and debit card, but was pending allow customers to be able to pay using Cash App. Before that story is complete, that was what is pending there. Yet the team member did not worry about finishing that story and completing that. The team member was very happy that at least they are making progress, and then they left the story. They went and started the story of logging in functionality, right? And then they completed the username function, the username task. They completed the password task, and they did not complete the date of birth using the day and the month task. So those two stories are almost 99% complete, but they are not done. The sprint is over. All of that is output because they didn't achieve anything. Now, what is outcome? Outcome will actually be focusing on completing all of the user story, the first user story, to ensure that it meets all of the acceptance criteria, and then you close out on it so that you're achieving value. You're achieving something that the customers can use, the customers will gain value from it, and you can actually show it. It's done. The second user story, you did the same. You were actually able to close out on it. You see, that is outcome. That's the difference. The first one that I explained is output, where you're able to complete some tasks, some activities, but yet you were not able to achieve a usable, working, valuable, releasable functionality. That is output, even though you were almost done. And then outcome would mean that you were able to complete everything and you were able to close it out. Even if you were only focusing on one user story and you were able to close it out completely, you were able to achieve a done increment. So that is outcome. You're actually able to achieve outcome. You see the difference. So rather than focusing on just busy work or doing activities that at the end of the day doesn't satisfy the customers, doesn't add any value to the customers, it is better you focus on doing one thing that you will be completed correctly, and then the customer will be able to gain value from it. So that's the difference between output and outcome. If you're looking to learn more, please subscribe to this channel. If you're looking to be trained, have structured training on Scrum, Agile. If you're looking to land a job, you're already trained, and you're looking to land your first job, you're struggling, we have fantastic mentoring programs. If you're already working and you're looking to add value to your organization, all of these, we got you covered. If you're looking to land your first job as an Agile coach, we got you covered. Visit our website and learn about our services, and contact us, and we'll be more than happy to have you under our umbrella and help you succeed in this Agile path. Thank you so much. I hope this video was helpful. Hope to see you in the next video. Thank you. By the way, drop your comments in the comment section. Subscribe to this channel. Subscribe to our other channel as well, so that you will never miss out on anything we share here. Hope to talk to you another time. Take care. Bye.